Okay, so we've knocked out a couple other user stories here. So Job Searcher can view all available jobs. That's on the home page that we created. So that's great. Job Searcher can view more specific details about a job. We created the job detail page. That's great. Let's see. Job Searcher can sign up for email notifications. That one's kind of working. We'll go into that one in a little bit, and then admin can approve a job for posting. So for this one, I'm not going to build out an actual user interface for that one right now. What we can actually do is just from within the table view in Boundless, we can handle that. So when a new job is posted, it will show up here, and we can actually just go over to the approved column field and change it from false to true. So we're not going to build out the user interface for that right now because it can all be managed here, but in the future, that's another feature that we could add. So I'm going to go ahead and also mark that one as completed. So now that we've accomplished all of these different user stories, let's go ahead and take a look at what our site's actually looking like. So we have everything saved. Let's go ahead and publish the site. Let's see. So when you go to publish, it gives you a couple warnings. So let's look at this first one. Button configuration incomplete. Post a job. Okay, so this one, let's see. Created by, created at, updated at, job title. Okay, I'm not sure what that error it's giving us is. And then let's see what this other button configuration incomplete is that it's giving us. Sign up for notifications. And that's fine because we are going to do a little bit with that later. Okay, so let's go ahead and publish this. Okay, it was published. So now we can have a look at our site. All right, so first thing is we don't have any jobs posted, so nothing's showing up here. Let's click on post a job. See how this looks. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and post a job. So I took some information from a job from a different job board, and I'm going to just post the job here for the sake of having some examples. So the job is a content editor for AHA, which it's not actually a no-code tool, but we're just needed a job to post here. So, okay, so one thing that I'm already noticing is that when we do the location, when we use the table, the location field in our jobs table, it actually wants us to give a specific address. I don't know if that's something that we are going to want to do, but for now we will just leave that. Let's paste this job description in here, and you can see it has some formatting already, which is great. Job category, so this is more of a marketing, actually we'll call it copywriting since it's a content editor. Company name is AHA. For the company logo, do that. And then we'll just say hello at aha.com. Okay, great. And then we'll post the job. And so here it wants, once again, us to pay. So we'll just hello at aha.com. And then we're using the test credentials in Stripe. And so we can just put in that. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing is that we probably want to have it then send us to a thank you page or something like that, just so that the user knows that this was successfully posted. But let's just hop in here to our tables and make sure that it worked. And yeah, you can see that the the jobs here, it looks like the job description didn't show up, which is a little weird. So we'll have to look into that. And then you can also see here that approved is currently not set. So, job description is there, but it just doesn't show up. So what we can do here is we can set approved to true. Actually, before we do that, let's just look. So this is submitted. If we go back to the home here, we'll see that nothing is showing up, but if we double click on this record, we can set approved to true, save that. Now, if we refresh this page, we can see that the job shows up, and there's definitely some editing that we'll want to do regarding the look and feel of this, but that's great. That job is now showing up. Another thing that we still need to do is make this clickable so that we can get into, so that we can actually look at the details of this page. So we will do that in the next video.